Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another tips from Tiffany. So today our tip is going to be about research. We did our what every cruiser wants and just some of the stories that we've done. It seems to me like a lot of people are not doing their research, or at least that's the opinion I'm coming to. So when y'all are planning your vacation, it's very important to do some research. Even if it's a land-based vacation, I mean, you just wouldn't drive to Disney World and not know what you were getting into. You would do a little bit of research. Same goes for cruises. You definitely want to do your research. You want to look at the ships. What kind of amenities are you looking for? What is it that you're wanting out of your ship? Do you want ice skating rinks? Do you want a lot of specialty dining? You want to pay attention to what's on the ships. That is one of the key things to making your vacation that much more memorable. You also want to research, the room that you're choosing. Is it a refundable room or a non-refundable room? Because if something happens and it's non-refundable, you're not getting your money back. You want to check out, I brought up specialty dinings. You want to see what they have available. Maybe you want a steakhouse, maybe you want sushi, maybe you want the Alice in Wonderland experience or the chef's table. You want to find out what each ship offers. You also want to look into the main dining room because, there's 3 different dining times. So you want to know what is going to be best for your party, for your family. If you're taking kids, you want to research the kids clubs, research. A lot of people don't realize that babies and toddlers that are not potty trained cannot play in the pool equipment. They cannot wear the little swimmers and stuff. So that's something that you want to know before you go. You also want to research your excursions. Are your excursions best suited for you? Is there mobility issues that you might have? All of your excursions are going to tell you all of this. If you need specialty clothing, some excursions, they require you to wear tennis shoes. So you need to make sure that you pack the tennis shoes and not just sandals and flip-flops. You also want to know if they're going to be feeding you or if there's drinks included so that you know whether to take snacks or bottled water. This is all stuff that you really want to know. It's going to make your excursion a lot better for you, a lot more fun. You also want to research the countries that you go to, just quick Google search. What are their laws? Like the person that got off the ship wearing camo pants and having a camo backpack, and he got escorted back to the ship because camo is illegal in some countries unless you're in their military. So you definitely want to research some of the laws. You don't have to get specific all out there, just basic, I'm a tourist, what do I need to know? Another big thing that a lot of people skip, you want to research insurance, whether it's through the cruise line or through a private insurance company. You want to have that peace of mind. I know a lot of people think, oh, it's not going to happen. But what if it does happen? You never know. Accidents happen. So you want to be prepared. You want to spend that little bit of extra money for that peace of mind. You also need to be aware of itinerary changes. That's part of the contract. It's in the contract. So don't let that ruin your cruise if there are itinerary changes. Just be aware that it can happen. It does happen. Not all the time, but they want to keep you safe. So if there's bad weather, there's probably going to be an itinerary change. Just go with the punches, The biggest takeaway I think from all of this is the more research you do, the more you understand what you're getting into and what you're doing, the more fun you're going to have. So I hope today's tip helps somebody out there. If there are any tips that you would like to see, please leave those in the comments below and I will do some research and see what we can come up with. I also want to take this time to wish everybody out there a happy Thanksgiving. Hope you spend it with your loved ones and your friends and just gobble till you wobble. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, hit that like button. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.